Hello everyone, myself Rubayat Alam Ruhin and my project partners are Aminul Islam and Tasim Muqtadi. We worked under the supervision of our Honorable Sir, Dr. A.S.M and Taib Hassan Saki. When we started working with our final year design project, we were in the early stage of the global pandemic that has been devastating the whole world for almost 2.5 years now. We researched to find that a lot of people were totally unaware of their symptoms and were active carrier of the virus, which can endanger the life of their colleagues. So at that time, we decided to work on a solution which will help people be cautious and aware of their health in daily basis when they are going for work or to study, and also can be used as an entry system. Hence, we came up with this idea of making an IoT-based automated entry system with the integration of COVID-19 symptom detection. Our aim was to mitigate the spread of the virus in workplaces and make people feel safer. So the objectives were to use RFID-based entry and logging mechanism, automated mass detection system, to use a contactless infrared temperature and pulse oximeter to check temperature and oxygen saturation level, and finally the storing of the data on a database server for monitoring. To fulfill these objectives, we had to work on functional and non-functional requirements to obtain the proper specification of the system, tackling some constraints that we face, such as finding a workable dataset and an efficient microcontroller. The workflow of the system is to get data from the user through multiple sensors in a sequential way and to give a verdict on the risk factor after analyzing the data. To build this project from ground up, we used multiple tools like Raspberry Pi, AutoCAD, Visual Studio Code, Google Firebase, and also machine learning model. Now we know that every problem has multiple solutions regarding the efficiency and effectiveness. This is why we had to conjure multiple design approach to find the optimal design level. The optimization factor that we use to get to that result were efficiency, hardware output accuracy, cost effectiveness, usability, also the maintainability and manufacturability. In our case, we went with the dynamic decision algorithm system with effective standalone microcontroller. To determine that the device works properly, we also done performance evaluation using test cases. Due to COVID situation, the number of test cases was lesser than we planned, but the results were satisfactory, as you can see here. For instance, the face marks data detection accuracy were 99% accurate. For the successful completion of the project, we had to commence with proper time management using Gantt chart and resource management with the help of proper budget allocation. As this project was built to serve the people, we had to analyze the impact that it has on the societal scenario, which you can see on the slides. Also, the ethical side was considered too, as the device to be built was user data dependent. Thank you. So firstly, we're running the whole sequence. So now you will use the RFID ID card to authenticate myself. And after the authentication, the face mask detection will commence. As you can see on the left side of the screen, it is reading sections. Now the temperature, is reading temperature from the wrist. After that, the oxygen saturation level is being measured. As all the data was accurate, the green signal shows to go. Thank you.